Unit 8 Advertising. In this unit, we'll discuss deals with the nature and importance of advertising and the essential characteristics of a good advertisement. Let's first start with what is advertising. Advertising is the mass communication of information aimed to persuade people to purchase goods and services. Advertising helps to maximize the demand for products and create awareness about new product. Advertising refers to any paid form of non-personal presentation and promotion of ideas, goods and services by an identified sponsor. The significance of advertising can be appreciated through its benefit to producers, customers and society. According to the American Marketing Association has defined advertising as any paid form of non-personal presentation of ideas, goods or services by an identified sponsor. This definition includes the following four expressions. They are paid for, second one non-personal presentation, third one ideas, goods and services, and fourth one identify sponsor. Next, what is publicity? Publicity refers to the communication of any non-sponsored commercially significant information about a company or its product to the public through non-personal media without any financial charges to the company. Next, differences between advertisement and publicity. Advertising is different from publicity, although both use non-personal media. Advertising is sponsored by some company and payment is made to the media for disseminating that message. On the other hand, publicity is not sponsored by any company and no payment is made to the media. Come to objectives of advertisement. We have learned what advertising is and how it is different from publicity. We will now discuss the objectives of advertising. Business firms advertise with one or more of the following objectives. First one, introduction of new product. Second one, inducing potential customers to buy. Third one, remedying users. Fourth one, to create brand image. Fifth one, to intimate customers about new uses of a product. Sixth one, to highlight brand character. Sixth one, dealer support. Seventh one, dealer support. Eighth one, trafficking the retail trade. Ninth one, miscellaneous. Next topic, role of advertising in the society. Society is also benefited in several ways as a result of advertisements sponsored by business firms. Advertising leads to the allocation of resources in accordance with the demand for goods and contribute to economic development. It provides useful information to consumers, generate employment, and helps mass media to publish matters of public interest freely and frankly. Come to next one, essential of an effective advertisement. It's to be effective, advertisement must have the right type of message communicated through proper media so as to reach the right people at the right time and at the lowest possible cost. The message should communicate something desirable and distinctive about the product advertised. The message should be believable, attractive, easy to remember and recall. It should be communicated through appropriate media and repeated as often as is necessary to keep the message alive. The timing of the advertising should be determined that it may reach the majority of target customers. Next, advertising media. Advertising media, it means the channels through which advertising message is transmitted to the desired public. There are various media available to the advertisers. For example, newspapers, magazines, direct mail, radio, television, outdoor media, internet. Advertising has become integral part of social and economic life of the people. There are both positive and negative effect of advertising.